does it seek one? ये फेथ रीजनिंग के परे है, लेकिन इसमें शक्ति बहुत है टू मूव इवन माउंटेन्स. इट गिव्स स्ट्रेंथ टू द वीक, होप टू द डिस्पेयरिंग, जो तकलीफ में है, एंड लाइट टू दोज लॉस्ट इन डार्कनेस. It makes people do good deeds because faith has a spiritual essence in it. It is written in Bible also, if we have faith as small as a mustard seed, अर्थात छोटा सा भी फेथ हो जो एक सरसों के बीज के बराबर, we can move mountains. But faith, when entangled with politics, it loses its soul. It ceases to heal and it loses its spiritual essence. It becomes sycophancy, becomes a business event, and a race to prove one's allegiance, to prove obedience. It can fuel fires of hatred, bring chaos, or of course, misgovernance. And surprisingly, no one minds all this. ये misgovernance, chaos, कोई mind नहीं करता ऐसे वक्त. And no one questions also. Even if human lives are lost, कोई प्रश्न नहीं पूछेगा. The people become so unmindful, so blind, that they do not question. They even walk over the leftovers of those who died in the stampede. And they can give hundreds of justifications. We are more in numbers, that's why these people died. और जो ठेकेदार हैं फेथ के will announce that all those who died a miserable death, crushed under the feet of crowd, will attain moksha, as if they are in touch with the God. And astonishingly, they will be continued to be revered. उनके भक्तों में कोई कमी नहीं आई उसके बावजूद, instead of being banished. That's what faith, devoid of its spiritual essence, does. किसी की जान जाए, किसी को फर्क पड़ता है क्या? Faith is not the enemy. It is we who must choose कि हम उसे पॉलिटिकल टूल की तरह इस्तेमाल करना चाहते हैं, और let it be the healing force with its spiritual essence, what it was meant to be. The Gangaji will flow. It still flows and will continue to flow, waiting for an answer, waiting for us to remember what faith truly is.
विस्तार है अपार, प्रजा दोनों पार, करी हाहाकार निशब्द सदा. ओ गंगा तुम